Me not call you no sweet stick again. Oh.
That's why Judah say no taking in front of his car.
You know if you can't be in front of the car. Nonsense. So Robs,
Yeah.
what's your favorite Jamaican food?
Jack chicken.
Jack chicken.
Yeah.
Okay.
Followed by trap and beans. And then ackee. And drawfish.
Saltfish.
Saltfish, yeah.
What's your favorite Jamaican artist? Who's your favorite Jamaican artist, I mean?
Hard to choose. I would have said Bob Marley. Yeah, for the moment.
Bob Marley is no more.
Okay. If Bob Marley is no more, then it's hard to choose for the moment.
You're sure because you have one artist where you like so much?
No.
You're gonna fashion.
Is it Bernie